Like you look here, I'm now the new Qipao Expert, so the expert for Chinese dresses. We are now here at the lakeside of the West Lake, and there will be a Qipao show today. So this is about the traditional Chinese dress. So we will see maybe some beautiful women in some beautiful dresses, and yeah, directly here at the lake. Yeah, I don't know what to expect, but I will show you the pictures or better the videos, and I hope they will come to here, and I can take some good videos in the scenery. Yeah. So enjoy the show. So the show at the Qipao Festival here at the West Lake is over, and now yeah, everybody can come here to take some pictures with the models. So there are a lot of crowds with cameras and mobile phones who want to take pictures here. So I will also take a video. I really like the show, so if you have the chance to come here to see the show, you could definitely do it. But not so easy, because I also can't remember how I got the information that today there is the show, because there's not a lot of advertisement for this. But yeah, if you're lucky, you can come here and there's the show. You should definitely watch it. I'm now at the Qiantang River, where people are waiting for the tidal war, which is a big wave which will come every year for one time, or I think for several days. I think it's about 3 days where you can see it. The first wave is today, so people are waiting here, waiting for the wave, and I'm also waiting. I want to take some videos, and when I can see the wave I will show it to you. I think I have to wait for another 40 minutes until the wave will arrive here. So I hope the wave will come, and then I will show it to you. At the moment the water is still very calm, so I'm curious if the wave really will come, because at the moment you can't see anything special, but the fact that there are also a lot of other people than me waiting for the wave, and there's also a lot of police here who stop you from going to the front of the barrier. so means that something will come, and I hope I will see it. So today's tidal bore is over, and yeah, it was a little bit disappointing this year, or especially today. Maybe it will be bigger tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. In the past I've seen it on TV, it was a really big wave, but today it was just a really small wave. And there were some surfers and some jet skis on the wave and used it, but you couldn't really see anything. The water was just rising, yeah, very slowly. It's higher than before, but yeah, you couldn't really see the wave. So yeah, when you're here, maybe you're lucky and you see it like you maybe saw it on TV before, with one big wave, or like today, where it's just a little bit of rising water and some surfers. Here you now can see the effect of the wave. The water is not calm anymore, and you can hear it a little bit, but nothing more happened. And what I have to add, the wave was also 10 minutes too late. So we expected it 10 minutes earlier. It was behind schedule. Too small, too late. Yeah. Not so interesting this year, but maybe next year. It's not that I'm disappointed, but to sum up the tidal bore of this year, I can show it with one movement and one sound. So do you remember when I went to the Qipao show in the morning? Yeah, I also met a Chinese or a camera team from the Zhejiang TV, and I also gave them an interview. And like you look here, I'm now the new Qipao Expert, so the expert for Chinese dresses, and yeah, was on Chinese television, so from this province TV. So I didn't see it on the TV because I was still outside, but it's possible to watch it later on the internet. So if you watched the Zhejiang TV today at around 6 o'clock in the evening, yeah, they showed my interview. So I think it's very funny, just another day at the West Lake, and